I'm 1. I want to find someone to play with. Let's see who I can find. Oh, look! There's someone! Hello, how are you? I'm 1.
Hi, nice to meet you, 1. I'm 2.
Wow! You're bigger than me!
Yes, indeed. That's because I'm made from 2 of you. 1 plus 1 equals...
2! Let's find another friend.
Good idea.
Hi there, I'm 3.
Hi, 3.
I'm bigger because I'm 1 plus 2.
1 plus 2 equals...
3. Let's keep going. Look, here comes 4.
Hello, I'm 4.
Hi, 4.
I'm 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 equals...
4.
We need another friend.
Look, here comes 5.
Hi everyone, I'm 5.
Hi, 5.
I'm bigger because I'm 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3 equals...
5. Let's find more friends. One. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. 1. 2. 3. 4. 5. Hey kids! Today we learned numbers 1 to 5 with our number balls. Next time, we'll count all the way up to 10. So stay tuned for more fun and exciting number balls lessons. See you soon!